Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tradomatics Pre-Market Index Analysis after weekly expiry. So Nifty continuously sustain in between 11,800 to 12,000 and resist near 12,000 with support of 11,600. So my observation in the present scenario of Nifty is if it breaks 12,000 then it's likely move for 12,250. Otherwise below 11,800 to 850 it will comes down for its reversal range, that 11,500 to 600. Let's come to Nifty chart. So finally Nifty sustain in between 11,800 to 12,000 with support of 11,600. Let's come to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closed near 24,500 again on last trading session. So for now, if Bank Nifty sustain above 24,200 to 500, then it's likely try for 25,200 resistance, else it's try to maintain a range bound move between 23,800 to 24,500 again. Let's come to Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty sustain in between 24,000 to 25,200 and take resistance, take 24,500 as resistance and support also. But its major support is 23,000. As per my exploration, there have some intraday trading opportunity for index future. That's are for Nifty future, there have a crucial resistance for Nifty future, that 12,065. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances, that's are 11,965 and 12,025. They have a crucial support for Nifty future, that 11,689. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports, that's are 11,820 and 11,765. Same as for Bank Nifty future, there have a crucial resistance for Bank Nifty future, that 25,200. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances, that's are 24,789 and 25,000. Same as there have a crucial support for Bank Nifty future also, that 23,789. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports, that's are 24,229 and 23,965. As per my exploration, there have some volatile stocks for intraday trading with trading range and midpoint. So what is the trading range and what is the midpoint? If a stock sustain above its midpoint and it increases volume with price, then the upper range is denotes for its higher resistance to achieve with support of midpoint. Same as if a stock sustain below its midpoint with increases volume, then lower range is denotes for its reversal support with resistance as midpoint. GSPL, that LTP is 198 and its upper range is 240 and lower range is 175. So if GSPL sustain above its midpoint, that 185, with increases volume, then it's likely try for its upper range or upper resistance, that 240. Same as if it sustain below its midpoint, that 185, with increases volume, then it's likely move for its lower reversal support or lower range, that 175, and then midpoint act as resistance for that. So you can note down every stock's range with midpoint with LTP for intraday trading. GSPL, that LTP 198, ICICI Pruli, that LTP is 414, Earth Industry, that LTP is 995, Grasim, that LTP is 791, Trent, that LTP is 641, Coromandel, that LTP is 720, Ipca Lab, that LTP is 2155, Jubilant, that LTP is 736, LTTS, that LTP is 1747, HDFC AMC, that LTP is 2357. You can note down every stock's LTP with midpoint for intraday trading. You can mail me on my mail ID about my channel, trade.mathematics@gmail.com. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for future updates. Thank you viewer. Thank you very much.